Sari Stars, how are things going on in your saring world? I'm Lakshmi, and today at Kalpavastram, I'm delighted to showcase a beautiful exclusive collection of hand embroidered saris. These saris have been embroidered in different parts of India and they signify and represent the diverse culture of our country. So let's get started with these beautiful saris. We begin with a beautiful red Kanjivaram silk sari adorned with Kasuti hand embroidery. This stunning Kanjivaram silk sari is in a beautiful shade of red and there are Maratuli or raindrop motifs in zari on the body. The borders are having tissue zari borders and on one side there is a green stripe and the other side there is a yellow stripe. So this is a very vibrant and very festive sari. We have done beautiful Kasuti hand embroidery to enhance the beauty of this gorgeous sari, and you can see the lovely embroidery all over the body. Kasuti is a kind of embroidery which is practiced in Karnataka, and our women artisans in Karnataka have made the sari absolutely stunning. You can see the beautiful Kasuti and Negi embroidery. Now Negi is a kind of Kasuti embroidery where the motifs look more like woven motifs. So you can see all these peacock motifs. These are all Negi embroidered motifs. The embroidery done on this sari is very delicate, very intricate and very, very detailed. This is the grand pallu of this gorgeous sari and it has lovely peacock, tree and rangoli or kolam motifs all done with Kasuti and Negi embroidery. The sari comes with a beautiful red blouse fabric with Kasuti embroidery done for the sleeves and the back portion. You can pair it with its own blouse or you can pair it with a green blouse or yellow blouse and accessorize it with some lovely traditional gold jewelry. You can also pair this blouse with many of your other simple saris. Another stunning Kanjivaram silk sari. This one is a Korvai Kanjivaram and we have enhanced it with some beautiful, colorful, vibrant Lambani hand embroidery. The body of this beautiful Kanjivaram silk sari is in a lovely beige color and it has got small orange kattam all over the body. The borders are Korvai borders and it's in a combination of orange and arakku or maroon. We have adorned this beautiful sari with lovely Lambani hand embroidery on the body like this. You can see the colorful and vibrant motifs all over the body. The pallu of this grand Kanjivaram silk sari is in orange with zari. We have enhanced it further with beautiful and lovely Lambani hand embroidery. You can see how spectacular and majestic this gorgeous pallu is. This is the inner end of the sari. You can see that the embroidery is done right till the portion just before where the sari gets tucked in. And this is the blouse piece of the sari with lovely, vibrant Lambani embroidery. You can pair this sari with its own blouse or with a maroon blouse and accessorize it with some lovely coral or garnet jewelry. A beautiful Korvai Kanjivaram silk sari in a gorgeous green and this one is adorned with lovely paper mache embroidery from Kashmir. What makes a Kalpavastram sari unique is that we retain the essence of the original weave and we add the ornamentation in terms of the beautiful embroidery. So here you can see how lovely this paper mache embroidery has been done all over the body. It's a very delicate and effort intensive kind of embroidery. The borders of the sari or Korvai borders, on one side it's in a purple color and the other side the borders are in a beautiful maroon color. So it's a Ganga Chamuna Korvai Kanjivaram silk sari on which we have done beautiful paper mache embroidery. You can see the kind of detailing that has gone into this sari. The lower maroon border has beautiful embroidery. This is the portion which will come on the front of the body, and it has beautiful embroidery, colorful, vibrant paper mache embroidery. This is the beautiful grand maroon pallu of the sari. It has the original zari weaving of the Kanjivaram sari, and it has been enhanced with some beautiful embroidery. The blouse piece of the sari is in a lovely maroon and it has embroidered motifs. You can pair this sari with its own blouse and accessorize it with some lovely colorful jewelry. If you're a tussar lover and an embroidery lover, then this sari is for you. We have gorgeous Lambani embroidery done on a lovely tussar sari with leheria. This is a beautiful leheria sari and it's in a lovely shade of deep purple magenta color, and the body is adorned with lovely Lambani hand embroidery. The leheria is handcrafted by our artisans in Rajasthan, and the Lambani embroidery is done by our women artisans in Karnataka. The pallu of this beautiful sari is breathtaking and absolutely colorful and vibrant. You can see how lovely the Lambani embroidery looks on this sari. This is the blouse fabric of the sari. It is in the same base color as the sari, and it has lovely Lambani motifs embroidered on it. You can pair this sari with its own blouse and accessorize it with some lovely pearl, silver or turquoise jewelry. Our most loved Move Patti work sari is back in stock. This is a very beautiful, very lovely sari and the base is kota. This is the beautiful body of the sari. You can see the lovely patti work done in colors of mauve and purple on the body, and it is also enhanced with lovely sequins. This is the gorgeous pallu of the sari and it has an all over jal kind of design with patti work. The edges of the sari have this dark purple edging to them. The blouse fabric of the sari has the same embroidery as the body. You can pair the sari either with its own blouse or with a contrast purple blouse and accessorize it with some lovely amethyst beads. Each of our hand embroidered saris is unique and exclusive, and a lot of thought has gone into designing and creating these beautiful saris. You can shop for our collection of exclusive hand embroidered saris from our website www.kalpavastram.com. Thank you for watching this video. Please share it with your friends and family. I'll be back soon with more saris and more videos. Till then, take care and bye.